Today we will take a deep dive into the manufacturing process of EPCB's industrial fire tube boilers. Once the raw materials are delivered, they are inspected by dedicated receiving inspectors. Millions of dollars worth of steel enter EPCB's factory through these gates every year. The core component of the boiler is the drum. We use a CNC hydraulic horizontal roll-down rolling machine to roll the thick steel into the drum. This step allows us to do more manufacturing in the workshop, greatly improving the production efficiency and delivery time of the boiler. The drum sections are welded together using welds, which is in line with the semi-finished requirements of the industry. All longitudinal and circumferential seams are X-rayed to ensure the quality of the weld. The heat-treated drum is moved to the drilling rig for further processing. This is one of the workhorses of the factory and is usually running 24 hours a day, every week. Each industrial fire tube furnace uses EPCB's unique threaded smoke tube design, which reduces thermal stress, increases the heating area, and improves the thermal efficiency of the boiler. Our factory assembles the various parts of the boiler, including the drum internals and piping, which will eventually form a complete unit. After all parts are manufactured, the pressure-bearing parts shall be subjected to boiler water pressure test at 1.5 times the maximum allowable working pressure. After final assembly and all tests are completed, the equipment is sprayed with EPCB signature blue paint. Finally, the boiler equipment is shipped to where the customer needs it. This is how EPCB's industrial fire tube boiler is manufactured. Through superb craftsmanship and strict quality control, we ensure that each boiler can operate efficiently and stably to meet the needs of our customers.